I invite you now to find a comfortable place to get still with me, whether a chair or on the couch, and let's just take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And let your body relax. We're going to consciously now just scan the body and letting go of tension in our muscles. So become aware of your feet and just let your feet relax. Let go and relax. Become aware of your calves and your thighs. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Relax the muscles in your hands. Let your fingers be open, relaxed. Symbolic of being receptive to the Spirit of God that's expressing in and as you. Relax the muscles in your chest. Allow your abdomen and stomach to be relaxed. Scan the muscles in your back, sending the message, relax, relax. Relax the muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Move your awareness into your jaw, relaxing your cheeks and the muscles in your face. Letting your eyes rest and relax back in the sockets. Letting go from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. You and I are spiritual beings. We are spirit being us, expressing in and as us, each and every moment. We are, as someone said, a spiritual being having a human experience. We have a mind that thinks. We have emotions that come and go, and we have a body. But we are the ones that have a mind and have emotions and have a body. We are not our mind, emotions, and body. We are the spiritual being that is awareness itself. We are the one who is aware and who can be aware of thoughts and feelings and our emotions. This is where our true independence and freedom lies. Recognizing that I am awareness. This is what is meant when God spoke to Moses in the wilderness, when Moses wanted to know the name of God, and he heard, I am that I am, or I am aware that I'm aware. You are awareness. You are consciousness. And that's where our freedom lies. We are not controlled by our thoughts, or at least we don't have to be. We are not controlled by our emotions. We can observe our thoughts, observe our feelings, observe the body, and make choices as to what we do. We don't have to react. We don't have to be controlled by the external world. We are spiritual beings, have been given dominion and authority, the potential to be the masters of our minds, our emotions, and our bodies. And as Claudia was singing in the song, there is peace and joy in the center of our being. There is freedom as we know this reality, this truth of who we are. You as consciousness, as awareness, are already free. We're just in a process of waking up to that awareness, to knowing it. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. So let us take a moment now in the stillness and in the silence, knowing I am a spiritual being. I am free. I am a spiritual being. I am free. And listen within to experience that inner freedom, that inner joy, that inner peace in the quiet. Jesus said, in the world you will have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. He overcame the world not by leaving it. He overcame the world by realizing his true nature as a spiritual being, as consciousness, as awareness. And he relied on that presence and activity of spirit within and expressing as him. And he said that you and I can do the same. Follow me. Follow me in this path of overcoming, this true freedom of the spirit, this true independence, relying on the within for our security, for our love, for whatever good that we long for in our life, finding it first in that awareness of the presence. And from this awareness now, we bring to mind friends and family and loved ones, and we see them as we see ourselves, spiritual beings, knowing and trusting that their every need is being fulfilled and satisfied through this spirit within, that they are open and receptive to guidance and healing, to prosperity of every kind. And we include all those whose names have been submitted to Unity for prayer. And we expand our awareness to include every person on the planet, to include the earth itself, to include all the animals and all life on our planet. We recognize that everything is a manifestation and expression of the one presence and activity of God, of Spirit. All life is sacred. And we are grateful for this awareness, and know and trust that this consciousness is manifesting in our world in this moment. And we are grateful. And let us now bring our awareness back to the room where we are praying. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the chair beneath you. Begin to move the fingers and your body. And know that in some way you have become receptive to the presence and activity of Spirit during this time, that in some way you have released more of who you are. And let us go forth trusting that expression in our life, trusting that we are guided, protected, and blessed. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.